Mongol branch of the Tatars. At the beginning of the 13th century, a new power appeared in Mongolia in northern China, which changed the map of the world. Founded by a man named Genghis Khan, the name means, according to the translation, conqueror of the world. The original name of Genghis Khan is Timujin. He was a bloodthirsty man. Genghis Khan began to expand, and his control extended from Korea in the east to the borders of the Islamic kingdom of Khwarezm in the west, and from the Siberian plains in the north to the China Sea in the south. Within a few years, the Tatars took almost all of China, then Mongolia, Vietnam, Korea, Cambodia, and Thailand. The Tatars, or Mongols, originated in northern China, in the Gobi Desert of Mongolia. The Tatars are the origin of the tribes in this region, and from them other tribes emerged, including the Mongol tribe. Therefore, all the Mongols are originally from the Tatars, but not all Tatars are from the Mongols. The Tatars had a very strange religion, a mixture of different religions. Genghis Khan collected some laws from Islam, Christianity, and Buddhism, and added to them from his mind, then wrote to the Mongols a book called Al-Yassa or Al-Yasiq, and made it a constitution. The Mughals. The Tatar wars were characterized by large numbers of people, a terrible speed of spread, a tight system and arrangement, and the presence of skillful military leaders. And they were characterized by bloody natures that fierce animals cannot reach. The inherent characteristic of the Tatars is that they have no covenant. They always pretended that they only came to spread safety and establish justice in the country. These are the characteristics that characterize the Tatar invaders, and they are characters that are repeated in every army that does not take into account the laws of heaven and the law of God. Those who possess strength and lack sound doctrine must have these characters. The outward appearance and faces, they differ, but the hearts are one. Grudge and hatred. God says in the noble Quran, "Have they transmitted this saying to these? Nay, they are themselves a people transgressing beyond bounds in disbelief." Al-Dariyat 53. So the forces that were present on the scene at the beginning of the 13th century were three main forces: the strength of the Islamic nation, and the Crusader force in Europe, and the new third force, the Tatars. And it was a barbaric force, without history, without civilization. It does not have a cultural, civilized, or religious stock that would allow it to excel over others, so it had to rely on barbarian forces. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on alerts to receive new videos.